up, good people? Huge shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to view the 2024 Toyota Crown.
Today we're introducing the 2024 Toyota Crown. This particular model wrapped in an oxygen white. For the length 196 inches, height 60 inches. This have a wheelbase of 112 inches with a ground clearance of 5.8 inches. The Toyota Crown breaks every convention in the book, and it does so in a bold and fearless fashion. At first glance, its dynamic proportion design give it elegant and streamlined appearance. This have an MSRP of $55,000. Right here we're looking at a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine pushing out 236 for the torque, 252 at 5,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 42 city, 41. Here's the sound of it. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with that macadamia leather. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your eco powered charge alongside your engine temp. On the right you have your MPH with your gas gauge. In the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, where you can go through your EV driving, compass, radio, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel you have your Bluetooth and volume button with your menu button. On the right side of the steering wheel you have your cruise control settings with your lane keep assist. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel you have your gas and trunk release. Looking on the door panel you have your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your power button. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control with your heated and cool seats. You have your wireless charging pad with your camera view. You have your shift knob. This particular model is continuous variable transmission. The buttons right here are your electronic parking with your parking hold, with your traction control, with your EV mode alongside your drive mode. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB outlets. You have your cup holder area. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Inside of the center console, you have your 12-volt outlet alongside your USB. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS safety connect. You have rose gold accents throughout the whole vehicle. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with more macadamia leather. You have your air vent with your 2 USB outlets. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with your heated seats. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 15.2 cubic feet. Wow, you could put a couple of 40-inch TVs back here.
Once again, huge shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to view the 2024 Toyota Crown. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Always good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.